Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing a very common problem that is called code visualization. So what I mean by that is visualizing code in such a way that it is understandable in a very compact way, in a very easy way. So for example, that is very much needed for students who are freshers who are joining a particular company. You wanted to contribute to a particular code. Also, code reviews can get very simple if you accumulate all the code and present it in certain form of a diagram which tells you everything what the code is doing, what the method is doing. So right now today we'll be looking forward to this kind of problem with this particular repository I have in front of me that is called RxJava. So this particular repository RxJava, that is Reactive Extensions, is a basically library for composing asynchronous and event based programs. And right now as a contributor, even I want to understand the code so that I can understand what kind of code flow is happening at the back. So right now if I go to a particular file in which I want to make the change, so as you can see, if I go to disposables and then I want to understand this particular file composite disposable.java, and as you can see, it's a very extensive code to understand, and even this repository itself is very complex and at a very higher scale than any kind of personal project, right? So this can be, I want this code to be compiled in such a way so that I can understand it very easily. Also, this can be solved by this particular brand new application called Ceethru, and here it is, the same file composite disposable class, that the same file is presented over here, same. And right now even I can see that this particular composite disposable is right now in contact with so many classes right now, which I don't have to see particularly very separately. I can easily understand that it's all of these classes are interacting with is disposable. So as you can see, all the arrows are overlapping, which also can be solved if you want to understand the code better. So it's very easy right now. I just structured it myself manually in such a way that I can understand it. And I can also say that all these darker nodes are classes and under them are the particular methods. I can even go up ahead and understand what kind of data is being passed and returned. So right now this value returns a boolean and takes none of the parameters. So it is as simple as it gets. So right now I want to see that what are the other methods doing inside the composite disposable class, which is also very much possible. So see, so many functionalities, so much of extensiveness, and so many files brought down in such a short span of time. So it takes nothing. As you can see, it is very complex. And right now, this is the first level that is being called, or we can say the first depth that is being called. So right now, I want to change the depth to the second so that you can understand that what is happening after these methods are called. And I get the data for that too. So even if I want to isolate a particular uh, method, I can easily say that this drain function is being called by all the methods over here. I can easily view all the parameters over here. So I can easily break down all of this code, all of this in one particular diagram. It is as easy as it gets. I can even not play with this and understand it at a very simple level. Even if I reduce the depth to 1 again, and boom, again it is back to the same. Right now if I go for 0, yeah, it is showing that what is at the 0 level depth it is doing. So it is as simple as it gets. And right now I'm going to show you how you can generate your own sequence diagram through Ceethru. So Let me go to the home page. So as you can see, it is very intuitive. I just got to provide the folder path. I already have the folder path, that is the repository is in my system. And I'll just paste it over here and I'll just say okay, and I'm gonna open the same file. And as you can see, the interface is so nice that I can easily go to the files very easily. Doesn't take much time. I'm gonna go to disposables, composite disposable, and I'm gonna click generate diagram, and it's gonna take some time to load. And but the result that you will get is very easy. So right now, again, it is totally made. So right now I can play with any kind of functions, any kind of thing. Yeah, easy, very easy to understand. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Also check out the other videos of Ceethru to understand the diagram, understand the application very extensively. Thank you.